Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Recently, I conducted a poll in a free Telegram channel asking people if they're interested in crypto market. Around 64% of the people said they are interested. Now I can understand why people are interested in crypto. It can be because of the new SEBI rules. A lot of things are going to change from next month. Lot size will change, expiries will change, margins will change. Because of this, people are looking at different avenues. Now me personally, even I've started to look at crypto market not because of the SEBI rules. I have some friends, after discussing with them, slowly even I have started to gain interest in this crypto market. Now the main purpose of this video is I'm going to create a community group. This community group is dedicated only for crypto market. Now if you are interested in trading Bitcoins, Ethereum, you can join this community. So what will be provided in this community group? Two things. One, I'll be sharing interesting price action setup related to Bitcoin and Ethereum in this group. Second, I'll be providing you a dedicated course for crypto market where it will be based on price action. So how much are we going to charge for this? We are going to provide this absolutely free of cost. Okay, only for people who are really interested in crypto market. Now how to join this community group? Very simple. All you have to do is open an account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. After you open an account, you need to complete your first trade. Doesn't matter what is the value. It can even be $1. Doesn't matter. So once you complete this, you can see number displayed. For that number, you need to send a WhatsApp message with the necessary proof. After verifying, my team will add you to the community group. So what and all you will be getting? Two things: setups based on price action dedicated for crypto market. Second, you will be getting a course based on price action dedicated to crypto market. So if you're not interested in crypto, this won't be useful for you. So only if you're interested, you join this community. I'm planning to launch this course on 30th of November, if possible before that, but deadline is 30th of November. So whoever opens an account will be getting this course. Along with that, you will be getting free access to the member community. Now this new thing that we are doing is nowhere affecting our Nifty and Bank Nifty trades. That we are going to do as usual. Since crypto market is open 24/7, anytime after our market closes also, we can concentrate on that. Maybe we can spend 45 minutes to 1 hour trading in crypto market. Now traders, only if you are interested in crypto trading, go ahead, open an account using our referral link with Delta Exchange and share the necessary proof. You will start receiving updates in the members community from Monday. Traders, when you go to open an account with Delta.exchange using our referral link, there are two important things that you need to notice. First, the link that you click, it has to contain ANA Trading Blog 2024. This link I would have shared with you, but after clicking this link, you need to ensure that this is visible. After this, what you will do, you will click on sign up. When you click on sign up, can you see here? There is one more thing which says 10% discount in trading fees applicable. The coupon code is AA Trading Blog. So both of these things has to be visible for you. Only then you have to start signing up with Delta Exchange, or else you will not come under our referral. Now traders, one important point that you need to understand is this crypto community is different from our free Telegram group and private Telegram group. So in this crypto community group, only crypto related updates will be shared. Crypto related courses will be shared. I hope you are as excited as we are about this new initiative. Now from Monday, my team will start sharing setups related to crypto market. If you are interested, please join as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.